Hi everyone, today I am showcasing this beautiful home by Villa Design. I'm so excited for you guys to see it, so let's go straight inside and take a look. Oh my goodness, so we've just encountered the grand foyer and it's very grand. You've got a beautiful staircase that leads upstairs and then the most gorgeous chandelier. But first, because this is a very big house, we'll go into the formal living area. So let's take a look. Wow. So this is so grand because it's got beautiful sconces all over the wall. You've got a fireplace, which is something that I've always wanted in my own home, and it's beautifully decorated. Gorgeous herringbone floors, already that's the first thing that I noticed. And let's keep going into the next room. Over here we've got one of their gorgeous study area, so very large. You've got very high ceilings as well, which I absolutely love. I'm going to go in and have a bit of a closer look. So I love the idea of how they've put the desk right in front of the gorgeous pool area there, and you'll get lots of natural lighting. And of course, you know, if you buy a home like this, you could always turn this into an extra bedroom. Talking about bedrooms, let's head that way now and we'll have a bit of a sneak peek. Oh, before we go into the bedrooms, have a look at this gorgeous powder room. So you've got a beautiful navy vanity and then you've got subway towels on the walls. All right, let's keep going. So guest bedroom here on our left, beautifully styled. I actually love these French style windows. I'm gonna have these in my own home, so I'm a bit biased. And then they've decorated the room in soft whites. You've got a bit of grays as well and a touch of black too. All right, let's keep going. Oh, I love this bedroom. So this is another guest bedroom, but look, so what they've done here is they've put a gorgeous window seat, which is great. And you've got also a lovely outdoor area through there. I really love this because it's got lots of natural light in here as well. Come on guys, it's a beautiful house, so there's lots to see. Follow me. Now we'll go back into the grand hall. I'm so excited actually to go upstairs soon and take a sneak peek at the master bedroom. But this is probably the favorite area of this house, my favorite area. So as soon as you walk into here, you've got your grand living area, and what a living area it is, because I have personally never seen a window seat this long. Take it all in because this is magnificent, and you've got beautiful views as well. But honestly, this would be also, I think they've also got storage area in here, which is fantastic, such a clever idea. But the windows, it's just, yeah, as soon as you walk through that door, this is what you see. Let's go into the kitchen area. And look at this, so open plan living. So as you're standing here, you're looking into the living area, you're looking into the dining, and then straight outside as well. But I love a navy kitchen island. So they've done the island a beautiful navy. You've got a marble bench top. You've got all your beautiful gold hardware through here, which is gorgeous. This is definitely a dream kitchen. And then they've got the beautiful backsplash as well. Very, very dreamy. This would be, I gather, the integrated fridge. And then across here, so you've got your beautiful butler's pantry. Got extra sink, and then around the corner you've got your walk-in pantry. Let's keep going, we'll go into the dining area. This house completely opens up, so you've got the bifold doors and you come into your alfresco area. So you'll get nice breezes coming into the house, and then you've got an outdoor kitchen, so an outdoor barbecue area through here, which is great for entertaining. You've got your sink, you've got your very important little bar fridge, great for Queensland summers, or Australian summers to be honest. So through the bar area, you come into this pool. So it's a great sized pool. And what I love about this pool area is you'll be sitting here or even through the kitchen and you can actually look straight out. Now this is a very big house. So let's keep going and let's go upstairs to check out the bedrooms. Okay, let's keep going. My God, this staircase is so beautiful and I love the void as well. Very luxe. So the first thing is on our left here, we actually encounter a bathroom. So let's go inside and take a bit of a peek. Oh, it's beautiful. So it's like the powder room downstairs. You've got your navy cabinetry through here, beautiful mirror. You've got a lovely bathtub through here, but I do love how they've carried all the tiles all the way up to the ceiling, which is beautiful. Let's keep going. I don't know which way to go. Okay, so here you've got another guest bedroom. Oh, and you've also got a robe, and they're actually quite spacious. So you've got actually a decent sized space in there. Now this is pretty special. So upstairs you've got another living space, and have you noticed that they've also got another fireplace here? So, oh, and wait for it, come around this way. You've got another fridge, another bar fridge. So if you don't feel like going downstairs in the morning when you wake up, you can come here and relax. And then this is the master bedroom. Here, I'll pretend that I've opened the door for you guys. Take a step inside. How gorgeous is it? You can see there's a theme going on with the blues and the whites throughout this home. It's very open. You've got a little balcony across here. Kind of feel like Romeo and Juliet, maybe. No, it's lovely. So it opens up, nice breeze. And then across here, I'll get you guys to come across and have a bit of a sticky beak. You've got your gorgeous ensuite. They've got the blue vanity, very luxurious. Beautiful bathtub, and then you've got a very large shower on your right-hand side. All right, I'm moving in. And then this is what all us ladies want, is a walk-in wardrobe. Beautiful, lots of storage space through here. So I love how they've got lots of drawers as well. And you even have a cute little seat. And this is actually quite handy because you can sit down and put your heels on, ladies. Lovely cabinetry, very spacious. Because it's got the high ceilings, you've also got storage space up the top here as well. Okay, so that was very special. So we're coming to an end of this beautiful tour, but I really hope that you've enjoyed it because, to be honest, I don't know what my favorite area of this home is. It's all gorgeous. So please leave in the comments what you thought. If there was something in particular that you wanted to know about this house, let me know. But thank you so much for watching, and I truly hope that you enjoyed the tour.